In this video, we're going to look at how to access and navigate MathXL, which is a software that we use for our homework in several classes. It is just a website, so you can access it from any device with the internet. It is not very convenient to use on mobile devices such as smartphones. So if you have a Chromebook or a laptop or a desktop, you're going to be much better off. When you go to the website, a common mistake that many of us make is we live in the times of Google, and we love to Google everything instead of type in exact addresses. So if you were to Google MathXL, you're going to have the first result come up that shows mathxl.com. And the issue with using this link right here is that it is intended for colleges and universities. Since we are in the K through 12 system, this is not the website for us. The website we need is actually down here. It's called mathxl4school.com. Okay, and we even see that it indicates K through 12 students and teachers. So be careful with that. Mathxl.com will not work for you because you are not at the university level. If you go to type this in, all you need to do is type in mathxl4school.com. It'll take you to the welcome screen where you see people who are very happy to be doing their math assignments. You already have an account, so choose sign in. And once you are in here, you will sign in using the username and password provided to you. Okay, so your username is your school email address. And this year we had to add a little bit more to it. So a school email address would be your last name, maybe just your first initial, or there's an additional initial with it, at rushschools.org. And this year we're going to add 2020 to the end. So your school email address followed by 2020. Your password is just like your Chromebook password, where you have your lunch number, your first initial, your last initial, and the 2-digit day of your birth. What you will need to do, though, is you need to capitalize your first initial and leave your last initial lowercase. The reason is your password needs to have an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. So one more time, your password is your lunch number, capitalized first initial, lowercase last initial, 2-digit day of your birth. So I'm going to log in with my credentials. And when I sign in, I'll be taken to my home screen. Actually, I need to tell it I want to enter first. So if that's the case for you, just say enter. And you'll be taken to your home screen, and I am going to go to student view so you can see what it'll look like on your end. When you're in the student view, you will see a calendar. And in that calendar, you might see some symbols. These blue circles right here indicate homework assignments that are due. Okay, so right now for this class, there are 2 homework assignments that are due. If I click on it, it'll tell me what it is. It's homework 2, solving and graphing inequalities. It is due on August 12th at 2:40 p.m. Okay, so I'm actually going to go back to that home right there. That's not the only way we can get to our assignments. They will be listed down here below the calendar. So we have 2 current assignments, homework 2 and homework 3. And that's all that the class has right now. Due dates won't ever be extended too far out, but if they do, they might not show up on this home screen. You might need to change your calendar to a monthly view. But being so early in, with no major extensions on anything, there's nothing else showing on the calendar. So we see there are 2 current assignments. There are 0 completed assignments at this time. There is another way to get to those things. You have a tab on the left side of your screen that says homework and tests. When you go to that screen, you will see a list of all assignments that you've been given so far during the semester. So for homework 2, we see here homework 3 as well. Homework 3 we see is due at 8 a.m. rather than at the other time listed, which is abnormal, but this is due to extensions from e-learning. You do also have a results page. I currently won't have anything here. I do, because I've attempted a problem, and that's a way to go back and view what you've